Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to get the rainbow sky effect in Capcut. So let's get started. First, you're gonna import your clip into Capcut. Once you have created a new project with your clip, you're going to first click on your video. Then you're gonna head over to Adjust. Click on Saturation. Then you wanna set this to -50. After that, you want to add an overlay, which will be the same video. Then adjust it, and after that, you want to close this project for now, and then you want to create a new project. Head over to the library. Now click on the search bar and type in black. Then click on this first option right here and click on add. Now you want to delete the ending first. After that, click on effects, video effects. Now click on the search bar and search up color negative. Click on this one right here. Now adjust the length, you want to make this longer. Once you're done with that, go ahead and export it. Now go back to your project earlier. Now you're going to add the video you just exported as an overlay. Now adjust it. After that, you want to click on the second overlay. Then you want to look for the layer option. You're just going to click on anywhere at this part. Then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to click on the overlay, this one, then you're gonna click on send to back. Alright, now go back and select the second clip. Then look for the remove BG option. Click on chroma key. Now move the circle in the middle to the sky. Adjust the intensity as well to however you like. Now go back. Click on the second overlay. Then click on splice. From here, you're going to choose overlay, then adjust it however you want. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.